Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Lift the front edge of the power supply and rotate it until you have access to the I/O card retention bracket. Disconnect the I/O card cable from the I/O card. Using the green tab, rotate the I/O card retention bracket until it is fully open. Carefully slide the I/O card toward the right side of the chassis and remove it. Important: if you are not replacing the graphics card with another card, cover the open slot in the chassis with a metal slot cover. Replacement. Align the I/O card with the slot in the chassis and slide it into position. Rotate the I/O card retention bracket until it clicks closed. Connect the I/O card cable into the I/O card. Rotate the power supply down into position on the chassis.